Yes sir, welcome back to the channel, man. Today we got something very special for you guys, also for me. I've been trying to get this bag for a minute now, and as you guys can see, the beautiful black casing, it has finally arrived. Yes sir, this is something very special for me. I hope you guys are ready to get into this. If you guys clicked on this video, you guys know how crazy the Peter McKinnon and Nomatic collab actually is. So without further ado, let's get right into the goddamn video. First things first, if you know Peter McKinnon, you know he's all about aesthetics. So you see the logo all up on the front. Anybody that's watching this video that's thinking about grabbing this bag, this is my genuine reaction. They did not send me this, not sponsored, literally nothing. I've been wanting this bag for a minute, so I'm gonna give you guys my genuine actual thoughts on it. I mean, first thoughts on this bag, it's kind of heavy. I think it weighed about 12 pounds, I believe was what it said. And I mean, look at this thing, this thing's big. First feel on this, I mean, you can definitely tell it's water resistant, and that's actually a cool part because it actually is water resistant, and it doesn't feel like fake leather. It actually feels like, you know what I'm saying, pretty solid. Some of you guys are questioning whether or not you want to buy this bag, right? You're kind of worried about how long the shipping might take. Well, I purchased this backpack through Nomatic, the website itself, and honestly, shipping took less than a week. And it was estimated that it might take a week and a half, so getting the bag early, you can't complain. But yeah, that was just booking through the website. I'm not too sure if they sell it on other sites. This is just my experience when it came down to ordering my bag. Obviously, some shipping times for you at certain times of the year might be a little bit different. But I don't really even know where we're gonna start. First, right up on top. Also, you guys don't have to worry about this this being too flimsy. These look like they're actually hard material. See what's under door numero uno. You guys are gonna see it first before I do. What's it look like? Does it look good? Oh shit. This bag to me hopefully is gonna serve one of two things, right? I travel a lot and I carry very expensive camera equipment. Sometimes we're in one city for a couple days and then we're in another city for a couple days. So being able to have my camera equipment along with my work equipment, along with some clothes, those are the things that I'm looking for when it comes down to a backpack. First things first, we actually have some organizing bins right up in front, held by some zippers. Looks like we got one that goes all the way down in the background behind the top two right here. Best part about these backpacks is they're very versatile. They're not just made for camera people, and they're not just made for the average human being that's looking to take a trip. It looks like you can unzip this whole thing, give you guys some more space to actually, who knows, maybe throw some underwear, some socks, maybe a t-shirt. That's really cool. It gives you a lot of storage right off the bat. This right here, like I was saying, is kind of essential because if you have clothes and stuff like that that are already bulking out, you can actually kind of lock this in and make it a little bit tighter. Looks like we got two little pockets right here for any extra pens, wallet, passports, stuff like that. You got 4 of them. You're definitely not lacking on storage in the first compartment. I'm honestly very thrilled with the experience so far. Let's close this bad boy up and let's move on to the next door. All right, so moving on to the next pocket. We actually got the pocket right on the front right here. So it's just this tiny little pocket right up in front. It's a nice little pocket. It comes with little clips. I'm not too sure what you would want to put in there. It has 2 different compartments, which is divided by this divider right here. Fly the flag. So yeah, basically the front compartment, this little tiny zipper up in front, has 2 different little casings. It's whatever you guys are trying to bring. But coming from me, in my experience, this front pocket, I could probably put some ND filters in there and I wouldn't be too scared on, oh, if it's gonna scratch. I'll feel very comfortable putting them into the front. Now, let's see what's behind door number 3. All right, so for the third part of this is actually just the stretching part. So this is the part that actually changed the backpack into actually giving you more space and more flexibility to actually travel and just throw more stuff into the bag. Later on, when I actually have a full review and I can pack this with all my gear and stuff, you guys will actually see how beneficial this actually is. But since we're already on the side, I thought I'd show you guys this part right here. This is a magnetic shut right here. So this is you put your tripod in here, put some water bottles and stuff like that. Also, my favorite part about this backpack is that it can actually change into a duffel bag as well. You can hide these backpack arms right here and you can pretty much just hold it from the side right here. And this is now your duffel bag. You know what I'm saying? So it's really cool. It's really versatile. It has both of them on both sides. And then if you come over onto this side of the bag, you actually have an easy access compartment to what is next on the list. But I'll give you guys a sneak peek as to what's in this next bag. Can you guys see it? What's in there? Feels nice. Y'all ready? Let's get into it. Now, I actually don't know how to open this part, so you guys are gonna be learning with me. Let's find out how we get into this pocket. It's gotta be this one right here, right? Where's the zipper, man? Oh, here we go. All right, so this should be the camera compartment. Now, this is where the real bread and butter actually is. Damn. You guys can actually like take these out and model it for whatever you guys are trying to put into your bag and stuff like that. And as you can see, that thing was literally hard for me to rip out. It is actually really good. It's actually like really thick material. The cool thing about Nomatic is they actually sell like different cubes and organizing kits on the website. So you guys, when it comes down to like an open space like this, you guys can actually put a cube in there, and that way you can actually organize your stuff a lot better. But there's a big space right here. You put any clothes, Mavic drone, and stuff like this. I have other little dividers right here. You can throw different lenses in here. But if we make it onto this side of the actual backpack itself, you got another divider where you can throw some toothbrushes. Maybe you're putting some toiletries, maybe some chargers, some extra batteries, stuff like that. This is such a smooth a zipper, pretty cool. And this one doesn't really go down too far. You could probably put like an iPad in there. Not too sure what else you would really throw in there. It's honestly not that big of a compartment. Here is where we have a laptop case. So you can actually throw your whole laptop into the side of this. And all of this on the inside is actually microfiber. So this, you won't have to worry about your laptop coming out with scratches, dings, whatever, right? This is very protected. And honestly, it's very cushioned on the backside as well. You guys are probably just as curious as I am. Will this backpack actually feel comfy when I put it on? Let's check it out. Obviously, it's gonna be different. I don't really have stuff in the backpack. As of right now, this is what we're gonna be dealing with. So you got this little chest one. You can pull it tight, whatever your guys' preference is. Cool part about this backpack is this lower back actual clip. Pull these tight. This strap alone literally saves you from a lot of back strain when you're actually carrying a lot of gear. By having that strap, as well as these ones so you can tighten the back, it actually gives it such a nice feel, and it feels like you're actually getting held tight. First thoughts, honestly, like this part right here is very cushiony, has some sort of like foam in there. The shoulders, sometimes when it comes down to backpacks, there's a hard reality with the straps, right? Sometimes the straps kind of dig into your shoulder, leaving those red marks, and it's not very comfortable. As of right now, if I'm like pulling on it, I can only imagine if there's a lot of weight and stuff in my backpack that this is actually gonna do the duty, right? It's gonna feel really good. Also, along my back, on the backside, there's a lot of padding, so it gives a nice feel. It's not like a straight feel. It doesn't feel like I'm gonna break my back if I fall or anything. And honestly, there's like some lumbar support, which is really cool when it comes down to it. But overall, is this the best photography travel backpack for you guys? And for me, I guess we'll both have to find out if this is the best backpack for travel, videography, and just leisure in general. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up down below. Also, comment what your favorite feature about the backpack actually is so far that we've seen. And hey, I just want to thank y'all so much for the support recently that you guys have been showing to the channel. Hope you guys found some value within this video. But yeah, I'm actually super excited to have this Peter McKinnon bag finally in my hands. Catch y'all next episode, man. Peace out.